Hello everyone, my name is Simran and I am going to teach you mathematics. Students, in the last class we have already completed our exercise number 1st of chapter 6. So today we will be starting the new exercise and the new concept of this chapter, that is triangle and its property. Today we are going to study about the exterior angle property of a triangle. Okay students, so have a look. Exterior angle property means, students, that the exterior angle of the triangle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles of the triangle. What it means, students, that for example this is a triangle, okay? If this is an angle, this is an angle, okay? This is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 4 for example. Then this 4 angle is the exterior angle of the triangle, right? ये जो एंगल है ये ट्राइंगल के बाहर है, इसी वजह से इसको हम एक्सटीरियर एंगल बोल रहे हैं. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, तो जो एक्सटीरियर एंगल होगा वो किसके इक्वल होगा? एंगल 4 विल बी इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ टू इंटीरियर एंगल्स दैट आर ऑपोजिट टू दैट एंगल. मतलब इसके साथ वाला एंगल इंक्लूड नहीं होगा, बल्कि इसके ऑपोजिट के दो एंगल्स का सम जो होगा वो एक्सटीरियर एंगल के मेजर के इक्वल होगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो इसी प्रॉपर्टी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो हैव अ लुक दैट द एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ द ट्राइंगल is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. Okay students, so this is all about the exterior angle property. Have a look students, will know how this is so. Okay students, have a look. We are given that this is a triangle ABC. This triangle A, B and C. This is a triangle ABC students, where ACD means this complete angle. Angle ACD is the exterior angle, right students? This is an exterior angle, right? Whereas these two angles are the interior angles of the triangle. In fact, these three angles are the interior angles of the triangle. But if we are talking about the exterior angle property, then we are just concerned with the two opposite interior angles, right? We are not at all concerned with this angle. Okay students, so now we have to show that the measure of angle ACD, that this angle's measure is equals to the sum of measure of these two angles, that is measure of angle A and measure of angle B. Okay students, so we have to show this thing. Okay students, we have just defined the statement that this is so, but now we are going to discuss that why it is so. Okay students, have a look. Draw the rough C. Okay, draw C through CE. Okay, C के अंदर से हम एक CE लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे, जो लाइन इस लाइन के पैरेलल होगी. ओके, AB के पैरेलल हमने एक लाइन ड्रॉ की CE, जो C से निकल रही है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो ये C क्या कर रहा है? दो एंगल्स में डिवाइड कर रहा है. ACD एंगल को दो एंगल्स में डिवाइड कर रहा है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हमने क्या किया? पॉइंट C से हमने एक लाइन ड्रॉ की CE, जो कि इसके पैरेलल थी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, जो इस साइड के पैरेलल थी. अब उसने उस एक्सटीरियर एंगल को दो इक्वल एंगल्स में डिवाइड किया, दो एंगल्स में डिवाइड किया. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लेट इट बी एंगल X एंड लेट इट बी एंगल Y. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ जस्टिफिकेशन क्या होंगे हमारे, कि क्या क्या कैसे कैसे हो रहा है. ठीक है, फर्स्ट स्टेप में हम क्या कर रहे हैं वो देखेंगे और उनके रीजंस क्या हैं. फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स, जो एंगल 1 है और एंगल X है ये बराबर है. हैव अ लुक दैट दिस एंगल is equal to this angle, okay, because these two lines are parallel. If these two lines are parallel and there is a transversal, this line is a transversal, right? And we have discussed that the thing, this is the line where this is the, for example, transversal. Okay students, then is in this transversal this angle, okay, complete this angle, and which angle? This angle. Okay, these two angles, we are talking about these two angles. These two angles are equal because we know that these two sides are parallel. We know that AB line is parallel to that of line CE, and AC is the transversal, so we can say that these two lines are equal. Why? Because these are alternate angles. Okay students, have a look. They are forming alternate angles, right? Alternate interior angles. Okay, so basically they are forming alternate interior angles. That means that when the lines are parallel and when the transversal is cutting that line, then it means that our alternate angles should be equal. Okay, so this is the first justification. Okay students, now from the second justification we know that angle 2 is equals to angle Y. Have a look students, this is angle 2 and this is angle Y. What it means? This is angle 2 and this is angle y. This is also equal. Have a look, students. Why? Because the similar reason that these two lines are parallel lines and that line BD is the transversal. Now, what is acting as a transversal? BD is acting as a transversal. Have a look. This line BD is acting as a transversal. So basically these are two parallel lines, okay, whereas this line BD is the transversal. Then it means that this angle, okay, and which angle? This angle. These two angles are equal. Why these are equal, students? Have a look. Because they are forming the corresponding angles that should be the equal, okay, when we are talking about the parallel lines and a transversal cutting that line, right students? So अब हमने सिर्फ एक वो लाइन C ड्रॉ करके ट्रांसवर्सल और पैरेलल लाइंस के कंसेप्ट की मदद से ये प्रूफ कर दिया कि ये दोनों एंगल्स आपस में बराबर हैं, ओके स्टूडेंट्स। अब हमें पता लग गया है कि एंगल 1 जो है वो किसके इक्वल है? एंगल x के, ओके, और एंगल 2 जो है वो किसके एंगल है? एंगल y के, ओके स्टूडेंट्स। हमें ये चीज़ पता है। तो इफ़ दिस इज स्टेप 1 एंड इफ़ दिस इज स्टेप 2, राइट स्टूडेंट्स, देन हम 1 + 2 कर सकते हैं। तो इससे हमें क्या पता लगा कि एंगल 1 + 2 इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल x प्लस एंगल y। ये स्टेप, ओके, हमें ये पता है कि 1x और 1, हमें ये पता है कि एंगल 1 और एंगल x इक्वल है। हमें ये भी पता है कि एंगल 2 और एंगल y इक्वल है। तो अगर हम 1 और 2 को ऐड करेंगे तो 1 + 2 इज इक्वल्स टू x + y। यही चीज़ यहाँ पे सी स्टेप में मेंशन है आपको, ओके, दैट इज गिविंग यू एंगल 1 + एंगल 2 इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल x प्लस एंगल y, ओके स्टूडेंट्स। नाउ this angle x plus y is equals to measure of angle ACD. Have a look, students. We have known that this angle ACD is equals to angle x plus angle y. Okay, let me clear this first. Okay, have a look. We know that this angle ACD means this angle is equals to this angle x plus this angle y. So it means that the measure of angle ACD is equals to measure of angle of x and measure of angle of y, that is angle x plus angle y. Okay students, have a look again. So here we can see that this angle and this angle sum is equals to the measure of the angle ACD. Okay students, this is equal to measure of angle ACD. Now students, we know this thing that 1 + 2 is equals to x plus y, right? And we know that x plus y is equals to measure of angle ACD. So now we can clearly write it as this angle is equals to this angle, okay? Because this and this are common, these two things are common. So I can write in place of this thing, right? And that is why we have just find the conclusion that the two angles, that is angle 1 plus angle 2 will be equal to the angle of exterior angle, okay students, that is angle ACD. Okay students, so the above relation between the exterior angle and its two interior opposite angle is referred to as the exterior angle property of the triangle, and this result is what is this result? This is called exterior angle property. Okay students, I hope that now this concept is clear to your minds. Okay students, having a look at the example based upon this property. What is it students? Find angle x in figure. Okay, we are given a figure, okay, and now in this particular figure you have to find out the angle x. हमें angle x की value find करनी है. Firstly, have a look students. 50 degree plus x is equals to what? 110 degree. Okay, what is your exterior angle property? Exterior angle property, you must have to write the exterior angle property. What is the exterior angle property students? That the exterior angle of the triangle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles of the triangle. Okay students, opposite angles of the triangle. Okay students, have a look, students. What is the exterior angle property? You can write it like that. Okay, the exterior angle of the triangle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles of the triangles. This is the exterior angle property. And now we have to use this property to solve this question. Okay, students. So firstly, while solving this question, you need to write this line up. Okay, otherwise you will not be having any marks for this question. Okay, students. So by exterior angle property, we mean that this exterior angle, that is 110 degree, is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles, that is angle 50 and angle x. Okay, students, 50 degree plus x. Now this 50 degree is in the addition with that of x, right? So if we have to find the value of this x, then we have to transpose this 50 from the right hand side to the left hand side. And if you are transposing this 50 degree to the left hand side, it will become minus 50 degree, right? So students, 110 degree minus 50 degree is equals to x. Okay, students. So this x will be equal to 110 minus 50, that is equals to 60 degree. Okay, students. So what is the value of x? That is 60 degree. This question can be solved out with the help of exterior angle property, but if in the question it is not mentioned that you have to solve this question with the help of exterior angle property, then what will you do? This can also be solved by one more method. Okay, students, have a look. What will be that method? For example, students, we don't know about the exterior angle property. Then how will you solve this question? For this, students, let this angle, the angle that is adjacent to this 110 degree, let this angle be called A. Okay, have a look, students. 110 degree plus A is equals to 180 degree because they are forming the linear pair. Linear pair that is formed on the straight line, that the angle are adjacent, then the angles should be supplementary. Okay, that their sum is equals to 180 degree. Okay, so it means that 110 degree plus A is equals to 180 degree because they are forming linear pair, right? So students, A is equals to, transpose this 110 from the left hand side to the right hand side. It will become 180 degree minus of 110 degree. Okay, students. Then this A is called 180 degree minus 110 degree. Then this A is equals to, students, 180 degree minus 110 degree. It will become 70 degree. Okay, students. Now we know the angle A, that is 70 degree, and we don't know about this angle x. Okay, but we know that all the angles of the triangle sum is equals to 180 degree. We know this thing. Okay, students. So by that property, we know that 50 degree plus this 70 degree plus this x, we do know about the value of x, right? Plus this x is equals to 180 degree. Why? Because the sum of the angles of the triangle is equals to 180 degree. Okay, students. So 50 degree plus 70 degree is equals to 120 degree, right? So 120 degree plus x is equals to 180 degree, right? Now students, 120 degree plus x is equals to 180 degree. Transpose this 120 from the left hand side to the right hand side. It will become minus 120, right? So this x is equals to 180 degree minus 120 degree. Minus 120 degree. 180 degree minus 120 degree is equals to 60 degree. So in this way also, students, you will need to find out what kind of method that you are using for finding out the question. Okay, students. So this is 60 degree by this method also. Okay, students. But the similar and easy method is the exterior angle property. So you need to solve the method by exterior angle property. Okay, students. But whatever method you are following, okay, just write the justifications. Okay, otherwise you will not be getting the marks. Alright, students. So students, this is the example of this exercise. In our next class, we'll be doing the questions of this exercise. Okay, students. Till then, have a nice day, all of you. Do study hard. We'll be meeting in your next class. Have a nice day, all of you. Bye-bye.